So here we are looking at ICPA. This is a 60-minute chart once again. I say once again just because I did this one last week and we went over the 60-minute chart. And finally the chart showed that it is human. You can see here rough couple hours in the big pullback. But the chart remains bullish and remains in the bull's hands. Before you call me crazy, at least hang with me here the rest of the video. Real quick, the daily chart really just shows how pretty much out of control the chart got. As far as charting rules and stuff like that, this chart would definitely be the exception and not the rule. It was defined chart gravity, and when these ones really start to go like this, basically straight up, so you have to picture at one point there's a green candle all the way up here. Profit takers at some point are going to hit it, and that profit taking is going to turn into panic selling. And it's looking like that's exactly what happened today. I don't think it was like the company dumping or anything like that. I think it was simply just profit takers that probably got a little too, sold a little bit too much, too fast, and that eventually turned into panic selling, and then you can see the result there. But there was a very nice little bounce here where the price was eventually able to close all the way up here. But again, I think the 60-minute chart does a better job of showing what's been going on here. So now, like I said, you probably might think I'm crazy based on what I said about the chart, still remaining bullish. And the reason I say that is, and again, go back and watch the other video I did on it last week. But you'll remember I talked about this purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And maybe you're somebody that's just watching this saying, charts are a bunch of garbage, they don't work, blah blah blah. Well, once again, I'm not patting myself on the back here. I'm just showing the power of charts. But I said that the 50-period would be a very important level to watch for as a support, and sure enough, you can see here that this massive move came here, and you can see bounced right off of this 50-period simple moving average, which leads into the point of that is why I still call the chart bullish and say that the bulls still are in control because the price was able to close above this moving average. Going forward, the longer it can hold above this, the better the chart's going to look, and the more bullish it will be. If the price does fall below this, doesn't necessarily mean that the chart is toast or history or anything like that, but I think it will imply that there's going to be a deeper pullback than what has already happened here. So again, if the price were to close below the 50 period on the 60-minute chart, I'm not saying that the chart is dead in history, but I do think that's going to mean a deeper pullback. But if this pullback is done now, then this 50 period here should be able to hold strong. But overall, still a good looking chart. A lot of will be dependent on the sort of price action in the next couple of days on whether or not this period or simple moving average can hold. But profit taking was bound to hit it at some time, and it finally did. Just got a little bit out of control here. Panic selling hit, but it was good to see that this moving average did step in and provide support like you would want to see it happen. So, going forward, the key thing to watch is how the price is going to continue to react right here around this purple line. So if there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is ICPA. Thanks for listening.